Here we have an old lift, and sadly the button has been covered over by the sign with no more nails glue. This is Wolsey Place in Woking, and whoa, original express lift. Yes! Now if only I can get in there. It's round here. It's gone funny. It's all funny. Yes! Awesome, original express. And it only goes. I'm gonna. So this is the lift express. And this lift. I don't think this is a 30s building. No, I think this is a 60s building. This lift only seems to be able to handle one call at a time, or maybe the light is broken. This lift can only take calls while the doors are closed and can only remember one call, or external calls while the doors are closed. It's awesome. Still completely original. It'll be so sad when anyone knows this. Express. And that's the... Oh, the phone's gone. That's odd. Door open, and it's still got the original logic. This lift is still completely original. Let's listen to the motor noise while it goes down. All they've done is under the door sensor. You can hear all the relays, an awesome original express. And at the end, there's a malfunctioning Panasonic air conditioning unit. And now it's the lift at the yellow car park. One of them's being inspected by an engineer. These lifts look like old sort of 80s or 90s express lifts. So they've got Dewhurst. This looks like a piston button. And they've got a really bad voice.
Car park, level 1. Car park, level 2.
Yeah, these are definitely modern, but they're on the same panel as this Express, so they appear to be original. I don't think it's actually that likely that they were retrofitted into all the holes, because that's unusual.
Car park,
when they had the bodge voice,
level 4.
these buttons, really bad bodge voice. They've changed the logic and now it takes ages to level. And now it's the next lifts.
Doors closing.
10. The Schindlers. No photography. Take a long time. I don't care.
10th floor. Doors opening.
And this also looks like a motor room. Rather strange. It's stiff. There's absolutely nothing up there. That's very odd. Ah, I know. Maybe they planned it so that they would put a ladder in and have a bridge to access those lifts. I'm trying not to get snow on my camera lens. And now it's this weird looking thing with all these masts on it. That's the motor room for the lifts that go down into Toys R Us. Let's go down. I think these definitely look like express lifts, but they've been modernised. Level 2 for arts and entertainment. This isn't level 2. That's a weird how they have that. This looks like they used to be an old indicator, which has sadly been removed. There's some weirdly high buttons. We're on the 10th floor, and this is the view down. That's the railway, and it's going to be this lift. Round. This seems to have a physical logic, but I might be mistaken. Perfect fit with that at the mezzanine. These are the cylinders on the ground floor, and they've got Schindler key switches. And they're both at to 0. A bit strange since I think it says service. That might be I for in, O for out, in and out of service. But it's not an on-off switch, but it's actually, I think there might be sort of service mode which is for engineering purposes. And this is the main part of the shopping centre. And now into Debenham. And the lift here is an out of service lift. It's being modernised into an eco-disc. It definitely is out of service, it won't accept any calls. And now it's the other lift. This definitely covers an older control panel, which looks like an Otis control panel. These doors don't look like Otis. I think what Kone might have done was replace the buttons and the doors. Next, while we wait, look through here in the fire exit, which is alarmed. What I do is make it a proper exit and just have the barriers here. That would make more sense. It's still going up into the car park. This barrier just went off when nothing even went past it at all. It must be malfunctioning. That one's also malfunctioning, nothing even past that one. These barriers are malfunctioning. Come on, lift. Still malfunctioning. And go. Oh, come on, lift. MC. What were all the? Why couldn't they put it on this sign here? These look like modernised express lifts. Why couldn't they have done the buttons the same as the indicator? Why couldn't they have done this thing the same as the button? It's a modernised Otis. And here are the service lifts. They are 80s Otises. One of them's been modernised by Kone, one hasn't. And neither of them appear to be working properly. Now it's the glass lifts in the middle of the shopping centre. These are Fujitec lifts. It's from the 80s, and in the 80s Fujitec made some rather retro lifts. And they had a display that was pretty much the same as Mitsubishi, only the Fujitec displays were red and the Mitsubishi displays were orange. The Fujitec in there. But a rather retro style lift. So you can see it coming. Yeah, it's coming. Stopping. What's the other one doing? Continuing its journey upwards. Fujitec. Fujitec indicated flat. Yes. All of the floors have names in this shopping centre. Now at the theatre level, continuing up. We're at the 4th floor. It's the top floor. This is the blue car park, which has all these huge towers that look like motor rooms. And now to some more Fujitec lifts.
Theatre Mall for theatres and cinemas.
Woking Town Centre is very unusual because it's all one great big shopping centre. Then I went into the theatre, intent on leaving via the east entrance opposite the council building. However, I couldn't find it, and when I asked an usher, she didn't appear to know the meaning of the word east.